Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A04. Okay, for that we will need the buttons for. So the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you're having a screenshot. After, you can see here below in the bar the preview, or you can edit the screenshot, or you can share it also directly with your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here on the editing symbol, you have now the chance to draw something inside the screenshot, or you can highlight something as you want. Or here at the corners, you can crop just a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website, no? Someone's WhatsApp status, no? It's a nice tool. And yeah, after you can share this edited part here directly, or with the arrow you can send it directly to your gallery. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, they're mixed up here at the pictures with the photos and so on. This is the reason why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because here you will have an own folder for your screenshots only. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.